Brad Williams, XL Prime. Square and square roots. Remember, towards the very beginning, we were talking about different formulas and how to enter the power sign or the square root feature, the caret. Well, here we're going to use the caret feature, take something to a certain power. We're going to use the sequence again, and we're going to square this. If we want to cube it, we would go 3. If we want to go 4, we can go caret 4. Here's an example sequence. Let me just show you below what we're doing here. Same as before, we're using the constant array method where you're going to enter this on your own. Remember, you're going to use the curly brackets. In this example, I don't know why they have the brackets on the outside. Remember, when this happens, when you delete something, you get a spill error. Remember, just go up into the formula bar, put a space, go in, delete the space. The spill feature works. Well, this is incorrect. The reason being is a spill feature in AutoCalc. This is the same formula. And then here is the old school where you're going to enter Control-Shift-Enter on this. The formula works like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the sequence 1 to 6. And here we have 1 row, 6 columns. We're just going to square it. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9, and so on and so forth. In this example, we're going to find the square root of the square. How do we do that? Go back up here, go 2 times 2 is 4, and then we take the square root. Here's the sequence, we have 9. What's the square root of 9? 3. What's the square root of 16? 4.
Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.